In this video I'm going to try and do a comparison between the Phoenix 2.4 and the Phoenix Evolution. The Phoenix 2.4 of course can be broken down easily and fits in the car more easily, but the Phoenix Evo is actually shorter in the fuselage, so it actually fits sideways in the space without having to take the wing off, because the wing can go front to back. Critical measurement is the length of the fuselage to the tail to see if it'll fit sideways in the back. Anyway, I'm going to fly the Evolution for a little bit just to get used to it. First off, I'll do a glide test. Whoops, there's puddles over there. Well, that's pretty impressive. Glides like a glider. Now let's try the Phoenix 2.4. Oh, it's got a nice glide too. It's sort of felt more stable, more momentum I suppose. Didn't glide quite as far or fly as much as the Phoenix Evo. Whoa, and that's a good thing. So now I'll just fly around a little bit with the Evo, get used to it. Gliding fast downwind now. Beautiful glider. Love it. Hanging up there in the wind. It's resists turning because of the sort of the short fuselage and big wing, I guess, but if you fly it with that in mind, only turn when you've got sort of forward motion, then it's fine. It's gliding well, it's even sort of catching lift up there. Oh, look at that. Wouldn't even thought of catching thermals today. That is gaining height. It's going very well. Oh dear. So it's slow to react. Feels like it sort of could use a bit more tail authority, but lovely big 2.6 metre slim wing. And we're going up again. This is crazy. Gosh, it's so lifty out there. Come on, come down. This is crazy. Delightful. Well, that's a glider. Okay. We'll do a fly around and a bit of an amp draw test. So now I'm sort of cruising. 3.4 amps. Needs 5.2 amps. It sort of needs that to maintain. Yeah, so 5 or 6 amps, I guess. Calm weather, probably 4 amps. Cruising speed. Cruising speed. Cruise around like that. 3 amps. 4 amps. Alright. Go up a bit higher and have a glide. So gliding now. It's very smooth and slower and steadier, I suppose. It's still kind of picking up the lift, I think. There's something there. Doesn't feel as light and nimble as the Evo, but it's definitely gliding okay. We'll go up again. It's easier to turn, or it turns properly, this one. Bigger rudder and longer fuselage, I guess. Just doesn't seem to be as much of a glider. Go up again. I mean, it's hard to do a direct comparison really, because especially for thermaling, because thermals change from minute to minute. But the 2.4 is definitely smoother. Acts like a bigger, heavier plane. Even though it's not that much more in weight. Yes. Interesting. I'll try the Evo again now. Okay, Evo time. So the Evo wanders more when you climb, but then once you get it gliding, it really does feel like it's got more chance of staying up in the thermals. Yeah, look at that. It's picked up lift there. Much better glide ratio, the Evo, I would say. But you probably do need more rudder. It's not quite as smooth, you do have to fly it a little bit more. But these planes all fly beautifully. Oh, I love it. So my thoughts are that the Evo is definitely a better thermal glider. It just picks up the lift easier, better glide ratio, just feels a lot more nimble and lighter. The Phoenix is smoother, more momentum, probably a better FPV, sort of a long-range FPV ship. Super efficient long-range FPV. Still okay at thermaling, but not as good as the Evo. But more testing required, of course. That's only a couple of sessions. Now the Banggood pre-Christmas sales are on right now with lots of different discounts, which I've linked in the description as well. These two planes will be coming up next for review, but I haven't got time to do them before Christmas. We had the Lightning 1500, which looks like sort of a warmliner glider. I guess I don't know a lot about them at this stage. And the other one is, well, it says Phoenix. It's like a Phoenix 1400, I guess, but I don't know if it's made by Volantex. We'll find out as we go along anyway. This is the kit version, and they call it the Oken 1400 on the Banggood website. Anyway, links in the description, and I'll do proper reviews of these planes coming up very soon. Thanks for watching.